Hello, my people. How na dey? I greet the house. Also, una dey fine. Una do well as una take dey comment, like, share. God go bless una. I appreciate well. I really appreciate una. My people, na update about this wetin happen for Libya. School boy. Una remember na I even do the video about wetin dey go on for that side. Hand don meet am o. Hand don meet am. My people, I no fit put the video wey hand take meet am. I no fit put am. I believe say most of una don even see the video for social media, but me no fit put am for here because of na understand. Hand really meet am. No be small thing. Hand meet am. Wetin he do to that girl is dey very no. Now people wey see that video, because many people no see am. People even dey ask me say, mama abeg may I see the video. I come still send am to some people make dem see wetin dey go on. So na so hand meet am well. I dey happy as I dey watch am, and so I happy o. Some people even dey talk say the hand wey meet am say e no meet am reach because wetin he do, dem no say he remove the girl cloth, nothing dey. So e still suppose make dem even remove e own also. And when the way they take dey talk am say na white cloth na him wear, because he really, the boy wear white t-shirt. Some people dey talk say maybe hand no meet am like that because they just pour something like red on top. I no dey there. So na wetin people dey talk, na be that one. So I happy for that girl. Some people still talk am say the girl don dey again, say e don bear RIP. I no know. I know say something happen. Everybody go dey talk say na so on this one. We no know. We no dey there. So this our brother come still talk still talk many things about wetin dey go on for that side. I'll put the first video wey he do, wey he talk the time wey the something happen for Libya. Then I'll still put the second one wey he do, wey come say they no dey satisfied wetin happen to school boy. So he supposed to get the may get am double because that girl because na no say dem be three abi four. One hold the girl for leg, the other one hold am for hand, while the other one dey use skate take dey flog the girl. And this one now they say hand no meet am reach, so say dem want make hand meet am well. My brothers and sisters, some of our people they too get mind. That mind wey dem get, I no know. You know say wetin you no want make dem do you, why you go dey do your whole fellow human being? And see, the video wey this for the school boy, he do still dey say hey biko the girl also still dey say biko. They no gree biko, they no gree hear. Who wan come hear you? Nobody go hear you. So my brothers and sisters, this wetin our people dey do, e no good. We be one. Wetin even though say person do you something, you no just do am that, unless say people wey no see that video, you no fit just do am wetin dey do that girl. No good because of say e go see boyfriend, even though say another thing na even happen sef. No be like that. E too bad. If you see that video, if you say you no cry for that girl, na lie. You must cry. You no know the time wey the tears go take comot for your eye. You no know. You no go know at all. So they find the boy because they say na a girlfriend na bring that video out, but we no know bring am out because before people dey talk say na him wife na bring am. Then they say na a girlfriend na post that video, so na make the video go viral. So I happy for that girl. Justice don. The girl get justice, but they say never finish. No, if something happen like that, people know say no, this one not reach like that, we go do am more. I'll put the video. Mona listening to this our brother. Mona still help me share and bye and do well.
You are meeting me for the first time. This is Baba O Best. I don't have much to say. The update where your carry comes where I want me to share. Because what happen for Sabana, for Libya, and for Apple. A old stupid guy call himself is a indigenous Brafa people. They carry flag up and down. I beat one girl because the girl go outside daybreak, go see his boyfriend. Say why boyfriend not give her money. The girl not thief, not rob, not do anything, he not offender. Because the girl don't under a care. Beat this girl to the extent the girl losing life yesterday. That made me to give this update. When we talk about this Brafa, say you're not getting where they go. Now noise that they make. They go betray themselves. The way they take betray Ojuku, I say they go take betray themselves. It don't happen. For a cheap boy to kill your own fellow sister, the girl they say Bikonu, they say Bikonu, meaning I beg you in the name of Brafa, I beg you in the name of Brafa, I beg you in the name of Brafa, I lead down, oh, my mama, my papa, cheap boy say lala, oh, ain't no Brafa again because of 12 arrow, 15,000 dinars. 150 dinars. 150 dinars. That is 15 euro. Never reach 12 euro. I beat the girl to the extent the girl lose in life yesterday. I beat the other. When they can know Alpha. I said I go beat the way they beat Ojuku, Igbo. Indigenous people. So they craze up at that. I still want to chop bomb for a restaurant. They say one go five for Brafa. I'm not in Nigeria. They make noise for outside Nigeria. You not in Nigeria, you want to go fight, and you want to share Nigeria. You want to share Nigeria. Nigeria be like spirit. It takes the spiritual to share the spiritual. The physical cannot share the spiritual. It will not feature Nigeria. It go hard. One don't kill one now. Don't kill sister. The girl don't die now. They find the boy, but they don't carry the boy. It ain't a cheap boy. The video don't trend all over the place. It's a shame and disgrace to Igbo. A shame. Me, they are the help on the shame. I'll come out. How do you all of them? Shut up on the mat. It's an Igbo girl, Igbo boy. Not kill Igbo girl. No, the girl blind now for Abia State. Don't kill the girl, don't kill the girl. You understand so? So now so it be. So I pity Igbo people. Disgrace to Brafa, disgrace to Nnamdi Kanu. Shame. This message, Sharon, and to Nnamdi Kanu. A shame to you. What you have for Libya? Igbo boy, cheap boy, and Ebony, kill the, don't beat the girl. Since about 4 or 5 days ago, the girl died finally yesterday. Now I say they don't catch her. It's a pity. Go and find the video. They trend everywhere. I see the video. I don't want to come online for the why just lock up because of one or two things. But this video make me tired. A shame. I say no. The update must go on. It's a shame to Brafa. A disgrace to them. Beat the girl because of 150 dinars for Libyan money. 12 euro for euro. They won't change. There's 12. Only 12 euro. He kill you, man. Because you go see boyfriend. In your boyfriend, not be say a thief, not be say do bad thing, not be say no go do anything. Kill the girl. Now the girl is no more. Finally, the girl is dead. I make a pour this update. Maybe people know. Go and trend on the video the way they beat the girl. As opposed to edit the video, but I don't like to edit pictures. Maybe from when I go try to edit, they put pictures, they put posts and all those videos and the rest. Man, it's annoying. Shame. Make brave man shut up. When I go betray myself just now. Una the carry this my message to you. You need to be very wise. Always be wise. Man, not be that one. They will see betray you. Igbo, they will kill themselves. One don't kill one for Libya now. Don't die. So it's a pity. Shame. So now they can know. You need to go and watch that video. May you see what they happen there. Yeah, to basically for the post I use Baba Obels. I also want to do a small update concerning what happened for Saba for Schoolboy. So finally they don't finally hold the guy. The people are not satisfied with the beating. That video is dubbed. They dubbed that video. You will not be beat person with white polo. It's very wrong. Because when he beat the girl, he naked the girl. He flogged the girl for her private part. Now they beat him. He wear white polo with nika. They are like, ewo. We are not satisfied. Ewo. They cry with swag. How you go? They cry with swag. Ewo. Now when you dance for party, that will not be beating. And the people who can't go find out. The people even hold and they put AK-47. And the people, the guys do the business together for Saba. They track business. They beat people like animal. They kill the innocent one. They make the route, the Libya route. They restless for people. Uncomfortable. They give the heartbreak, broken plates. If they can't Libya now, they break your plate anyhow. Now fuck up. And the same people that indigenous people will be say the guy they do the same business for years. They form Brafa people. They form, they fight for freedom. Now them still hold the guy. Now they first still hide the guy before. Bring her come adult video. They beat her with white polo. They cry with swag. That one not be beating. We are not satisfied with that beating. I congratulate the chief prince. We swear for her. Because the boy is dead, they follow her. And the most important update what I need. With the year 2 the year on that update, the girl don't die, the girl is alive. So we go live, make the girl do video. So the whole world will see and say, yes, he alive. Or he don't die. We won't know. Maybe to settle with 5 million, settle with this. They want to settle with 5 million, settle the. We know where that one. And the beat, we want to make sure say we see him prick. A man who demonstrates a man who the way to indicate that girl, we want to see him. Only the kind need to interfere for this very matter. Maybe to the shout freedom, where the people are not ready to free. You cannot share spiritual body. Just spiritual. So I agree to we are not satisfied with that beating. So we need to see. May they give hand over to neutral bodies. May they beat her. Not be all those now they beat her. They say, hey wo. Union de Saba. Transfer her to the union. Let the union take the guy. Then may they beat her. They must naked that guy. They must naked everybody. The verse. We are not satisfied with the beating at all. That beating we are not satisfied. The guy must naked that guy and they must beat the guy. I want to know whether the guy is alive or not. To confirm I want to see the update. The game must come out to thank the world. Not be that way they call the shout Ewo. You cannot use Ewo to compare Biko. Biko no. It's a two different word. The guy is real. The beats are real. So that guy beating a swag beating. So we don't need swag beating. We need real beating. They must beat the guy and they must be punished. If the guy don't die, they must kill him too. If they not handle and make the handle and give people away ready. We are ready to hand over the people. We ready. They go maga under 10 minutes. Not too big. The guy don't give up now. 10 minutes not true with the guy. So no shake you. I also do the update I just get. I go to you. This Baba Opes. You are meeting me. I am that I am. Since day.